breakfast. We are preparing to go to Pulau Ubin to feed the mosquitoes. So before we feed them, we need to feed ourselves. So like,
you know what my partners, like the other friend.
yeah, hi! Our 5 minutes boat ride is over. Oh really? Didn't feel like it. Okay, it's not bad. Haha, someone broke the rules. How's your hike going? Congrats! You made it! We reached civilization. Lunchtime! Hello! Seafood. Camera eats first. Made it to the wetlands. It is then wet and scary. I got a giant mosquito bite on my forehead from riding in the forest. Don't know why we think it's a good idea. Hello my friends, you're so cute. We have reached the watchtower. Are you girls ready? Let's walk. Welcome to Singapore. 2 more levels. Can we do it? Let's go. And I want to unload.
Yeah, that's why it's scarier.
Move! I thought what you're doing. These old people are having panic attack. We are shaking. Hi. We are dead again.
I'm just like,
Let's move.